What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. I've been gone for a little bit. I was off doing something cool. I think we can put it where we're going to put it right there. Yeah, if you saw that, that's what I was going off and doing. It was a lot of fun. But I'm back now, and guess what? We got our tool in. Check it out. Okay, so we got the tool, and we've got our clips undone. I'm going to try to feed this around the clip because I can't get the clip off the back of the sensor. I'll do it once I have the sensor out. And you see what I'm looking at there? There's the clip, or the plug that we're going to go around. It's that yellow plug right there. And then it feeds all the way around, follow the light, into this cavity here, where my finger is. What am I doing here? This is what I'm doing here. Okay. Alright. I need to get this on this way. Okay. So I'm frustrated, and Sierra was like, I got tiny hands, and I am now a flashlight guy. For the record, I also have tiny hands, but they don't work like they used to.
Here,
What the disrespect. Okay, so I went to go get a can of duster to clean off the dirt from the area, and Sierra, in her infinite wisdom, said, hey, guess what? I got it out. She did get it out. She did a great job, and I love her for it. But she broke the old sensor in the process, so it's still left in the plug.
We didn't need it.
What was that?
We didn't need it.
We don't need it, because we got a new one. So I'm going to take this out, and we're going to try to get this tool in there and pull this sensor out. This is... So, babe, how hard is this right now? That's hot.
I don't know.
As you can see, it's dark now, and I took off this little heat shield that was in the back, not allowing my new tool to reach on top of the sensor. This, just to let you know, has two 10 bolts in the back. They're 10s. They're 10s. Not American, they're metric.